I am with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Daytime, not nice. Overcast and the clouds may be out and it is windy. Now, the camera does a nice job and it not set up correctly for me. And when I did my low light shot, I guess I have to hit the low light button in order to be jitter free. I don't want to be doing that. I want to set it up video mode and just go out 24/7 and shoot, automatically have it work. I don't think I have control of shutter speed somewhere. I gotta sit down, take a look at it, and figure shutter speed out. So let me rotate my camera around so you can see what it looks like. I was feeding the seagulls, and now the color of the sand to me is tan, a little on the dark side through my glasses. If I lift up, it is a little bit of beige color. Now, my water here is not blue, green, brown. There they go, flying around. Well, my water is not clear, but I could take the camera, dunk it in, and you get to see what's in there. But it is what it is for me, man. Well, check out the airplane. They say if you double tap the screen, my screen went blank. Double tap, cancel zoom, double tap, cancel zoom. I don't want to cancel zoom. Maybe pinch the screen. Cannot zoom now. Why can't I not zoom now? That's a nice big plane in my eyes. Well, having so many cameras, and you try to learn all these cameras, and let me tell you, it's not fun learning multiple cameras all at once or one after the other. Find a camera you like and use it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I'm not sure if I'm happy at the moment, but at least I tried it out. See what the fun is about. I'm gonna wait maybe 1 or 2 more days and then figure out my conclusion. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on the next one. Both cameras are wobbly because of the mount. You get an idea that the sun is up at about 3 o'clock position. 4K at 30 frames per second. HDR is off. Audio of the DJI Mic 2 on the Action 5 Pro. As a stare and compare comparison. Going through the tunnel of yelling. I didn't yell that loud. The sun is behind a thick cover of cloud. And I'm just simply doing a comparison, holding my camera out like this. I'm now a little closer. I'm not sure what I got set up in field of view, but normally I set my Action 5 Pro at the warp, and I should be on the next one above the warp of the Ace Pro 2. They call it Ultra. So now we are on the warp. One camera may look far out and the other look close up. And you're gonna have to adjust things in your editor to make them equal. It's not about me owning the camera and telling you. It's about you deciding what camera is right for you. For me, I don't feel the love. I didn't say Ace Pro 2 or Action 5 Pro. I just don't feel the love. I love a camera that does its job, that takes the shot. Once again, I'm not sure what setting in the FX that was chosen by Ace Pro 2. It changed off of the first one and put it on portrait. So you have to be careful. And I'm just panoraming around on a windy day. This is one of the Leica effects, the second one. And I'm not going to go through all of them. These are my notes for me, taking a look back when I'm at the editor. Beautiful day. You can see the cloud, the definition. I probably see it in both of them. I had blue up there, not now. I talk loud to the camera. I got the DJI Mic 2 right now, and I got the Mini standing home. I think what I am going to do is what I want to do, and I'm going to do it. I want to continue on and now just stop my Action 5 Pro, put it in my pocket, and do some 8K footage. I would love to do 6K, but the Ace Pro don't have the ability for 6K like the RS had. All my video prior was HDR on. I'm not sure what has happened and how it got set up that way when I shut HDR off. So here I am, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the Fishes settings and the Ace Pro 2 with HDR off. I'm going to shoot a couple of shots in different types of hands. I'm here in whatever position you want to call it. We'll call this 9 o'clock. The sun is behind heavy clouds on a windy day, noisy day that just quieted down so I could lower my voice. I'm at the 12 o'clock position. So this way, maybe some type of sun or coloring can look nice. How does my skin tone look to you as I pull in the camera as close as 2 feet, 18 inches? We normally hold our cameras at 30 centimeters, 18 inches, and that'll get you the great shot. I hear people say that close-up shots of the Ace Pro 2 are blurry, not in focus. That sometimes you want to hold it out and zoom in. Well, I'm going to take a walk, a slow walk, because we need to have some movement in the video, then some stationary handheld shots. And I did low light shots and I didn't like what I saw because I know it was on the go and I set it up and I could not set the shutter to 1/200 over 8,000. All I could do now is set it for tomorrow or the next time at 1/200. But I don't have the ability to set it to the maximum, only the minimum. And I don't have the option as well to set in the Ace Pro 2, you got it, the ISO. It's 1 through 64, 100 through 6400. That's the highest it goes. But we have the ability to do the auto white balance up to 10,000, I think. I'm not going to get involved, man. Well, I got enough video for me that I'm going to share to you. And on that note, I'm getting on out of here because this is a haunted pier. It blew my glasses off my face over there on the floor. And now the wind has stopped. I want to get some bike rides and try to hold this nice and sturdy for you. And that'll be the end of my day for today, so I could go back. I got a lot of things to do, Joe. A lot of notes and things to take care of. You hear that honk honk? They told you all right. let's wrap this up, do a little bike riding, and off I go. I got under $1,000. $350 for the Ace, the Action 5 Pro, and $400 for the Ace Pro 2, and $100 for the DJI mic, and $30 for the stand. You know, add it all up, it becomes quite expensive, right? I thought I was going to hear some siren sounds here. I got the lights, let's get on going. Let's safely get going where I need to be at. So here we are, riding along. You can see how deep the clouds are in the distance. Definition's there, gray. Think I'll be able to make the tunnel of yelling with this light and give a hoot, a yell in the tunnel of yelling? Let's see if I can, man. Let's get on going. We're in the tunnel of yelling. I didn't yell that loud.